So if you're wanting to be more of a mum, more of a father, to be more of a contributing community member, to make more impact, to make more change, to be more of yourself, there's one thing holding you back, and that's not having more time. Because despite you being in a supposed 9 to 5, Monday to Friday job as a corporate professional, we know in reality you're working more than 5 days a week. You're also working plenty more than 9 till 5. So you don't have time to be more because the corporate professional has completely consumed your diary. So, how do you be more? It's about reprioritizing, it's about making the time, and to be completely frank, it's about making a big pivot, a big change. And potentially that could be transitioning from the corporate professional into premium coaching consulting. A business, your own business, that provides you all the time you need. So be a freedom founder, jump into my DMs, and I'll help you with that transition.